wa githomo wa 844 na kujiriria kwa mutaratara mweru wa mathomo wa CBC kwajiriria mwaka-ini turorete riu ni marikitie kwamukira maumĩrĩra mao maria marikia kurekererio ni Minister wa githomo Ezekiel Machogu unyitanĩri na anyititani angĩ sector-ini ya githomo. Mũrutwo wa mbere aikorwo akinyita marks 428 na nĩguo mũrutwo kwamukira maumĩrĩra make aratũma namba yake ya kĩgerekano nĩyo index number kuri namba 40054. Nayo riboti ĩno nĩragĩtũhingũrĩra Gikunjuro gitu kĩa Mohoro mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ.
The 2023 Kcpe examination candidates are asked to correct their research from their respective examination centers. Individual candidate research can also be accessed by sending a candidate index number followed by the initials Kcpe through a short message service SMS to 40054. This service will be available immediately after this event. I repeat again, individual candidates research can also be accessed by sending a candidate's index number followed by the initials Kcpe through a short message service SMS to 40054. The service will be available immediately after this event. It is now my humble duty and privilege to declare the 2023 Kcpe examination results officially released. I wish all candidates success in their future endeavors. Thank you and God bless you. 400 to 500 mark. The number was 8,525 candidates, which translates to a percentage of 0.60. 300 to 399 marks, and the total number who scored that was 352,782, which was 24.92%. 200 to 299 marks, the number of candidates who were in that category was 658,278, which was 48.49%. 100 to 199 marks, the number of candidates in that category was 383,025, translating into 27.05%. The ones who scored between 001 to 099 were 2,060 candidates, which formed 0.15%. The number, therefore, total number that sat the examination was 1,406,557, translating into 99.34%, which there were 9,000 who never did the examination, and we have given them the opportunity to come and do the exam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Tukithii na mbere ni ati thutha kuringana na itũmi ngũrani. Kuringana na Minister ũyũ wa mathomo Ezekiel Machogu ni akorwo akĩranio mwanya mwaka-inĩ ũkĩte kĩa arutwo aya mageka na kũmahotithia kũingĩra thukuru-inĩ wa secondary. Reke twamũkĩre riboti ĩno.
I wish to thank all the teachers, field officers, security officers, NEC officers, and other stakeholders who braved the hard weather challenges to conclude